See if Lenny will do it my way. He's been beating on that thing for about 20 minutes. Try sticking the tip of that thing right up top. You know what I'm saying? Just either corner right in the middle of that thing. Just see if you can act as a wedge. Just see what it does. If it's still steady, then come back down. I'd go right in the center of that. You know what I'm saying? You got the hallway, right? Go right in the center of it. So you want to swing to your right. What's that? Yeah. Yeah, right in there. Just get that thing flat against the building. Just see what it does. Just lower it right down in there. Just give it a little tap. You got like a 2-foot gap up there, you know? Yeah. See if you can line yourself up with that outside column towards that side, you know? If you can get on the center, because right now what the beam is doing is just kicking itself into the hallway, so it's not acting as a wedge. If you have the column to keep you in the center,